So, hello guys. Ito na naman ang update ko. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Ito na naman ako banda guys. So, ayun. Ito na naman tayo guys. Sa nakikita nyo guys, dito naman ako nagpa-upo-upo dito guys. Ayun. Pa-cute-cute tayo dito banda guys. Baka may maglapit ba guys? Baka ba may guys, baka sakali may customer maglapit. So, pa-cute-cute muna tayo dito banda guys habang wala. So, yun guys. Ayun. Yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much guys. Tapos na tayo tapos na tayo nagpa-cute. Yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching guys. Have a good day. And keep safe everyone.